Hello students. Yesterday we learned about winds. Today we are going to learn about cyclones. Cyclonic conditions are created when a low pressure area is surrounded by high pressure area. In this condition, winds start blowing towards the low pressure area from the surrounding high pressure areas. Due to the rotation of the earth, the cyclonic winds in the northern hemisphere move in a anti-clockwise direction, whereas they move in a clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. During a cyclone, the sky is cloudy, winds blow with a very high velocity, and it rains heavily. The area affected by cyclones is limited. The duration, velocities, direction, and place of origin of the winds is unpredictable. See the image of cyclone obtained by a satellite. On weather map, a center of the cyclone is represented by letter L. A cyclone system moves from one place to another. Cyclonic storm. Cyclones occurring in the western part of Pacific Ocean along the coast of Japan, China, Philippines, etc. are known as typhoons. These storms arise in the month of between June and October due to high velocity winds and heavy rains. These prove to be destructive. The cyclones in Caribbean Sea are known as hurricanes. These are also destructive in nature. During these storms, the minimum velocity of the wind is 60 km per hour. Cyclones also originate in the temperate zone, but they are not so powerful and hence they are not destructive. Anticyclones. Under specific atmospheric condition, the air pressure in a particular region increases and the pressure in the surrounding areas remains low. In these situations, wind blow from center towards the surrounding areas in a circular manner. They are turning in circular manners. In the northern hemisphere, these winds blow in a clockwise direction, whereas in the southern hemisphere, they blow in anti-clockwise direction. During anticyclones, the skies are clear, winds blow with lesser velocities, and the weather is pleasant. Pleasant means here good. Anticyclones generally last for few days or a week. Such anticyclones originate in temperate zones. On weather maps, the center of anticyclone is represented by letter H. Anticyclones are vividly experienced in high pressure belts. Winds in this region are always moving out and hence the rainfall in such area is quite low.